What happened?
I want a burger. They didn't have no ice cream or shake.
Oh, they ain't had no ice cream and shake? They ain't had no shakes?
No ice cream, no shake.
Sit down, bro. Look at the little fat in there.
Hmm?
Every time she showed his picture to the people where they would say, oh.
What, that little baby picture?
Yeah. Talking about,
Where we going now?
oh, sorry, said, oh, look at the football, bigger than him. So he ain't want nothing? He couldn't get the shake, he ain't want nothing.
Want to go to Rally's and get one?
They have chocolate shake now?
That'd be
They
better
got
than
ice
Mickey
cream
D's.
there too. They got ice cream over there too. Yeah. Ice cream over
When mama get when her bill come next month, I'm gonna go home, set it up on the computer. I'm probably gonna let it do that like that lady had that old lady money. She let her bills go what they call it? Automated draft. The light bill, the electricity bill, and what else? The electricity bill, her life insurance. I can't let that go, I don't think. I might be able to though. Because they be having the salespeople coming out. So, she have rents. And the electricity. But they at least will pay the cable. Yeah. And the rent. Drop it on.
ice cream.
No, you ain't getting no ice cream cone.
I'm not. Get a cup.
You want a cup of it?
I want a cup of
Give me
ice
a
cream.
single Buford combo with a chocolate shake.
No, I said cup with ice cream.
Medium.
You don't want no burger?
No, no thank you. What? Said you want a
You want a
burger?
small cup of ice cream.
And give me a small ice cream in a cup.
Flavor.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And that'll be all.
$8.76.
Thank you.
That's what kind of car Don had, a Honda. Accord?
I don't remember.
Probably was. Because the other ones, it was his car or something like that, I think.
I think it
Shame.
was great.
Yeah. He had it fixed up too. I know you miss his car. I mean, they just take your car, don't let you get nothing out. So what about your stuff?
Oh yeah, you get your stuff out.
Well, after you had to go.
They'll let you get it out right then and there.
I want a burger on
They'll let you get it
tomorrow.
out there. But they gotta put it up on the rack first. So you got anything in there you want to get out?
Cause like we looking at that show, I don't remember them letting them people get nothing. They just took it.
They'll let you get it out. The people be acting crazy. They only show the crazy scene. People be fighting them and shit. They ain't got time. They just be wanting to get out of it. They'll let you get it out. They're nice. They'll let you get it out.
Well, they got no sugar in here. Yeah, I remember they go, one lady said, I'm not getting out of my car, and so they was like pulling the car up in it. And then he plopped it up like this. The ma'am gotta get out. That's a nice car. Des, keep it up. You ain't getting that. Sit back. You should be in your seatbelt.